Hey guys, we're here at Ortega Falls. We're here to show you around. It's our second time here. But anyways guys, this is a really cool hike. It was really windy where we wanted to go today, but today it's a lot cooler. It's a lot nicer over here. There's not as much wind. It's pretty dry today, but anyways guys, it's a cool hike. And just check out this waterfall. Look how natural it looks. It's awesome.
If you guys haven't been here before, it's called Ortega Falls. You'll see in the title of the video somewhere. Like he said, behind you there's a waterfall. Usually there's a lot more water when it rains more. Now it's kind of dry this winter, so it's just flowing a little bit, not too much, but it's so cool.
We're gonna take it to the top. Another episode of Crip Rhino.
Please enjoy the video, guys. Like, subscribe, share.
Thanks guys. But anyways, take us along on this little cool adventure called Ortega Falls Part 2. Alright guys, we're beginning the trail right here at Ortega Falls. We're both vlogging right now. Wild rhino right here in the house. Wild rhino. And then we got them Crip rhinos all together. So anyways guys, we're starting Ortega Falls hike right here. So you just walk down right here. So stay along with the video.
Yeah, guys. We did a good day. We're glad that we were able to take you guys with us. Remember, I know I said in the intro already, but if you like the videos, please show us some love. We love that too. We have shirts, t-shirts. Yeah, thanks. You don't heat it. Nice and hot today.
Yeah, it's January right now and it feels like 80 degrees.
Hot outside.
We were planning on going to Mount Baldy and hike, but we chose not to because it was really high winds going on over there. And then we went to Saddleback and it was even windier there. How windy was it there, man?
Oh, it was like a tornado.
Man.
25 to 35.
Yeah, it was not good at all. But anyways, we're here at Ortega Highway throughout this canyon and ravine. It's pretty green here. But anyways, it's not windy at all where we are, like that.
Ortega is a nice little hike.
Heck yeah. Last time we were here was Memorial Day and it was so packed. And now they look like a Disneyland ride line. Oh yeah, Jeremy. Alright, we're gonna keep going. You gotta slide down this rock right here, see where I'm going? Wow guys, definitely not as much water as last time, but
really cool. I'll take you in it later. My mouthpiece and all that. Cool. You can do that also. Up there, you are good to go. Is your heart not pumping or what?
huh? Pretty cool area, just hanging on some rocks like this. It's pretty fun, but I like it a lot. It's really cool. It's really close to Orange County. It is in Orange County, but the other side is Lake Elsinore that turns into Riverside County. But anyways, this is a really cool area. You guys got to come here. A lot of cool waterfalls. It's really cool after the winter season. When we were here in May, a lot of water flow comes through here. So you see a lot of cool rocks that are beige. It's really fun.
Just got up here. Pretty nice in the shade.
Yep.
Ortega Falls.
Ortega Falls, and guess what? Right after this will be Mexico. So stay tuned for us. We're gonna be going to Mexico. We're gonna be showing 3 separate videos of each town we're in. It's gonna be epic.
We're gonna have big plans coming for you guys.
Yep. So stay tuned. We're gonna go to a whole other country, and we've been to Canada already. Now we're going to Mexico. So let's do this.
Ooh. Pretty intense workout.
Yeah, it feels good. Gotta get that workout in right there too. Oh yeah. Check out this little beach. Nice. You guys. This is called Little Beach. Looks like a little pool.
The world's smallest beach.
World's smallest beach, and we're on it. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're climbing up higher. Let's keep going. Little
Top of the mountain.
It looks like we're up to the top. It kind of reminds me of Deep Creek, just a little bit.
Yep.
What up, guys? We just want to let you know we have a contest coming up, and it's going to be coming out on, we're going to announce the winner on January 18th. Then we're going to be first going on our Mexico trip. But anyways, if you're the first person to leave a comment,
Oh yeah!
if the first one to leave that comment in this video, and then you got to like and subscribe, and the first person to do all 3, you're going to win some free merch from like shirts like this, hoodies, hats, sweatshirts, jackets,
everything.
All kinds of stuff, even socks. But anyways, guys, you get to pick which one you want, and we'll throw in something for free for you as well. But you got to leave the comment,
and then we'll message you after that with the winner.
Yep, so just stay tuned for that, January 18th. Remember, guys, like the video. We're going to check, subscribe to the channel. We're going to check that as well. And leave that comment.
And we're gonna select a winner. For the lucky person who gets it, you're gonna get a free t-shirt or hoodie or a hat or some socks of your choice. So just let us know. Do all those things and we'll pick a winner. Woo!
Oh yeah.
See you in a future video.
Yep. All right, Mexico. We're gonna announce it on January 18th, guys. Stay tuned.
Get excited. Oh yeah! Ah!
We're back at the world's smallest beach.
Made it to the top. Now we're gonna start hiking down to the bottom, following the river flow down. It was a good time today here. We're starting to descend. And
Ortega Falls 2020.
Yep, first adventure of the year. We're off to a good start to this decade.
We're gonna go that way and left.
Yep, there's Jeremy. Check out Jeremy. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Check out this view though. What do you think, Brandon?
I'm liking it. Getting a pump. We've been hiking for about 2-3 hours now. Now it's ready to go get some sushi.
Guys, I'm gonna climb down the rocks down here. Watch it. Fun, fun. Oh yeah, cool climb.
Get down.
Oh yeah, Jeremy. Nice.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Whew. Pretty good jump. You just jumped over the river. So high up here, there's other rhinos. He's got it with another right leg. Ooh, 50 points I give him.
Gotta use your funky muscles.
Free solo my ass.
Yep. So this isn't the tallest point in Orange County. I don't know if this is actually Orange County anymore. Is it Orange County?
Yeah.
Oh, this is where they're. That's fine. Woo. How's it feel up here, Casey?
It's nice just to chill right here. Way better than sitting on my couch at home. Still some people kicking it here.
Yeah.
What do you think of the hike, Brandon?
Nice. I suggest you guys all come out. It's fun. It's free. And just something to do.
Here's Jeremy.
Here's me.
This view is just beautiful, guys. Look at that. There's a thing to go rock climbing, but there's cracked all the way around. I don't know if I trust that. And look how high up we are. Can't you just made it?
I ain't doing it, guys. I'm coming here.
Look at that crack. It's all cracked right there.
Alright guys, we're just at the top of the rock right here, just chilling. It's pretty cool here. I mean, look where I'm standing, like just have my feet hanging like this. Looking at this cool view. The sun is starting to descend a little bit. But anyways guys, it's been a pretty awesome day. I love coming up here. I just love being in places like this and have my feet just hanging down like this. The more you do this, the more fearless you get, and it's just such a good time, and I just love.
Thank you guys for tuning in to this episode of Crip Rhinos.
Yep, this episode's been awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is part 2 of our Ortega Highway, Ortega Falls trip. But this time there's less water, but anyways, you got more footage of the climb and stuff this time. So anyways, thanks for watching our video, guys. Thanks for sticking to us. Check us out, Ortega Highway. It's good stuff.
We love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if you like it with a thumbs up. Please comment, subscribe, and remember we have a free giveaway. If you comment down below, "Ahh Yeah," if you like the video, because we'll be checking. If you're subscribed to the channel, we will check that too. We'll pick a winner and you can get one of our merch for free of your choice. So just do all those things. And again, thank you guys. We love you.
Sweet guys, thanks for watching, and tune in for more. Mexico's in 13 days from now, and like Jeremy said, we got the free giveaway. Just comment "Oh yeah" in the video and you'll be set. Thanks guys.
Oh yeah.